What's the meaning of academicism? Academicism. 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 Academicism is a style of art that emphasizes formal rules and traditions. It is often characterized by its use of realism, historical accuracy, and idealization. Academicism was popular in the 19th century, and it continues to be an influential style today. Here are some of the key features of academicism. Use of formal rules and traditions. Emphasis on realism. Attention to historical accuracy. Idealization of subjects. Academicism has been criticized for its lack of originality and its adherence to traditional values. However, it has also been praised for its technical skill and its ability to create beautiful and inspiring works of art.